Hi guys, it's Nikki and I have ordered more Zenni Optical glasses. I know, I just can't resist, right? So I took the opportunity to be like, let me just show you all my Zenni Optical collections I have, as well as showing you my new ones I bought. See, the thing is, I don't properly take care of my glasses, to tell you the truth. Sometimes I leave them here or there, they get lost, they get a little bit bended and stuff like that. So I go through glasses not extremely a lot amount of times, but enough to where I need a few, and sometimes I just want a new style. I've been getting some recently just to have a new style, and the good thing about me is that my prescription has not changed for years upon years, like 10 plus years. My prescription has not changed, so that's a good one, and my prescription's not that bad. So on that note, I'm gonna show you all my glasses that I could find. Some glasses are lost in translation in the house somewhere, and I did not decide to go turn up the house looking for them, so I found some of mine that I have already. So this is the ones that right now I'm wearing. This one was, all of them are basically cheap ones, but there's some really cheap ones for like $6 and change, and some of them go up to maybe $15. This is the most expensive pair I got. So these are the $6.95 ones, the cheap ones, and they're just like matte, and they're bold Edna mode looking glasses, and I have gotten compliments on these, so this is what it looks like. These are pretty cheap ones. They're very light. These haven't gotten bended, so you know, like when one side is higher than the other, so that's good. So that's one. And then I have these. Okay, yeah, these are the one that are bended. If you can see, one is higher than the other one, and it's kind of loose. So I love these. These are my favorite. They're kind of dirty. You know what? I have all these little glasses cleaning things, and I still end up using my shirt, no lie, which is probably not good. So we'll just use this. So here we go. This is one of my favorite subtle cat eyes. This was about $12. So let's put these on. These are my fave, but they're crooked, so they're super annoying. So I have to put one higher than the other. But I love, these are my absolute favorite glasses. It's very light. It doesn't look too bulky, and it feels extremely light. And I used to not add the anti-glare, anti-reflection, but then I noticed that it's such a big difference, like when you're taking pictures and videos and whatnot. You don't want that extra glare. It's just $4, so might as well add it on. So these are my favorite, one of my favorites. These are the subtle cat eyes, but I don't use that anymore because of crookedness, so that would be like super emergency central. And then these are like one of the other ones I got. It's a clear blue, translucent bluish looking glasses. These are square version of the cat eyes, the type of so it's like, you know, square. This one was, I believe it had to be one of the $12 ones, or it could be mistaken. It could be the $6 ones. I'm not sure. Not 100%. But okay, so these are another one. When I ordered these, I didn't notice that this part was yellow, but it's a tortoise type looking one, and it's more rounded and more bigger than the usual glasses I get, so it's more bigger. I like these. They're okay. And then I had gotten these, which I knew there was probably going to be too small on me. They're a more predominant cat eye, and these do feel like they look too small on me, but I guess I just use it just to like have a different style when I want to go out. But I feel like these are super tiny, like micro glasses. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but yeah, sometimes I feel like they're too small. These are my least favorite, and like kind of like a mistake, but it's just so cheap that I just kept them. And then these are my, I don't wear them often, but these I thought were so original. These are like $12 too, but they're like Aviator metal glasses that I don't normally usually get. But I thought these were so cool. Actually, these look good on me on one of my pictures that I have. You know, so these go good with like specific outfits, or even if you're just wearing them. My mom thinks they're like over the top, but you know, these aviators look pretty cool to me, but I don't wear them often. I don't wear them often at all. So yeah, so those are my glasses I have that I found so far. And this is all of them. Woo! Alright. So now let's get down to it. This is the Zenni Opticals. These are my new ones. Truthfully, I actually just got the same pair of the glasses that were crooked. I just got that, and then I noticed that they have one in a different color, so I just got both variations of the same glasses. So here, I got two glasses, and I don't know which one's which, so I'm gonna open this one first. So obviously they give you a case like that, and looks like that, and then it comes in a bag. Always puts one of these things in here. These, thank you for choosing Zenni Opticals. And this, they wrap the glasses up pretty nicely and put this on this part, and we're gonna unravel it, and you get a free wipe cloth that obviously I never use anyways. So here it is. Here is the fixed version of my glasses that got crooked. So I love it. Like I said, this is one of my favorite glasses for cat eye. It's light and it's simple and it just perfectly fits my face so well. Like, just compare. Let me just compare to these tiny little things. These tiny little cat eyes I have. It's so different. Look at this. Look at that. It looks like librarian something, office worker, I don't know. The tininess just kills me. But these I feel like it's better for my face. So I like it. I had them before, so I love it. Now, these are the ones that I was interested in. These are the colored ones. Oh my gosh, please don't say it's pink. I don't like pink. Oh. So, looks like it's pink. I didn't know it was pink. Like, the inside is pink. You can see. And the outside is black. Whatever, I don't know. I'm getting frustrated now. But, you know, it's not that bad. But look at the front. I don't know if you can notice, but it's a ombre type thing. It's not too bad, you know. It's an ombre type orangey yellow gradient color. It's an orangey type gradient color. It's not bad. When you're getting glasses, always check it to see this part. You know, I've gotten tons of these glasses. I always forget to check this part. If you don't like this part and it bothers you that much, then you might as well check it. But it looks nice though. You see? I don't know if you can tell now, but I think you can. It's a color. It's a nice color. I like it. I like both of them. You can't really see the sides too much until you take them off, so I like both of them. These feel more lighter for some reason, and these feel more sturdier. Bang ass shoes. I got bang ass shoes. Okay, so yep, this is the colored ones. I think it looks nice. Perfect. So I actually enjoy my glasses. I like them. These will be the last glasses I'll be ordering for a while. Basically, hopefully until more than 6 months. Cross fingers. I hope I take care of these. Usually I only order one at a time. So since I ordered 2 this time, then I hope I can deal with these for the next 6 months or hopefully a year. So that's a good thing. I paid altogether $30-something for these 2 frames, and I also had a $5 coupon. So I always use my $5 coupons to get my glasses, and that covers basically for the shipping plus a little bit more. So that's good. Any savings is great. I always use coupons whenever I can. Coupon codes, whatever. There's certain places that always use coupon codes, so love it. So you can go ahead and check out Zenni Opticals for yourself and browse and see, and they have this new thing where you could take a picture of yourself 3D and you could try on the glasses and see how it looks on you and everything. And if you, let's say, don't like them, you could always still keep them anyways. I keep them anyways because I don't really want to go through that process. But if you really don't like them, you can return the glasses and get a credit and get a new pair of glasses. So it's not that difficult. So go ahead, check out Zenni Optical. If you like anything and you are wanting to buy anything, I have a $5 off coupon code for you that I use all the time. It's in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out for the $5 coupon code. And enjoy, browse, buy. These glasses are totally worth it. I mean, it really is. They have a lot of new styles. I think they added more new styles. But like I said, I just got 2. I've ordered so much that I know what my faves are. So I actually have a fave section to where I could go back and be like, I need another pair of those because they got like broken or whatever. And like I said, it was only I pay anywhere from $6 to $15 for my glasses. So if it breaks in a couple of months or whatever, it's okay. I just order a new one. But it barely ever breaks. Sometimes, like I said, I don't take care of them very well, so they get wiggly and bent. But it could easily be fixed, or like I said, just get a new one. It's so cheap. I remember I used to buy glasses, and they used to be $200 to $500. So ridiculous for one pair of glasses, and that's just basically the bare minimums. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.